AMTS. Okay, this show is called AMTS, Automotive Manufacturing Technology Show. The hall number is W1. So this booth is near the main entrance. It has the best location. Everyone wears the helmet in order to protect themselves from being hurt. Okay, this company is called DANIKOR. And this one is SCS. SCS. It's a little bit messy. It's the last day of fabrication. And the show will be officially opening tomorrow morning. If you've got a chance, you can come here. And let's walk along this aisle and see the chief exhibitors. That guy has a speaker. It's very ear-splitting. Too loud. SCS. Fortunately, the aircon is on today, so the guys can work here pleasantly, happily. No overheating. It's much better. This one is quite huge. HIKROBOT. Hike robot. There's a model of automobile. Everyone has to try their best in order to accomplish the project within the scheduled time. That one is called A&D, my God. And D-A-N-D, I'm sorry, the D looks pretty different. That one is L-U-B-B-E-R-I-N-G. Yeah. Siemens, S-I-E-M-E-N-S from Germany, Deutschland. Everyone knows this one. This one. Normally, the construction time lasts for 3 days or 2 days. This one is huge. DSOUTTER. It's a famous brand. That guy is painting the wall. He has to sand it first, make the surface completely smooth. And this one is obviously from Deutschland, the national flag. It's apparent. There's a flask. Oh my God. Everyone has to drink adequate agua here. Sufficient agua, water. Dehydration is a serious illness problem. If you work a lot, sweat a lot, and the water is very important. SEW. The logo is quite swanky, classy, shining, sparkling. That one is called AIRTAC. So this hall is adjacent to the main entrance, so which means the big players are in this hall, you know. They booked the best locations since they are more international. KEWELL Industry. That one is called a PLANETA. AV equipment, plasma TV. SAS. It's from Shanghai. Okay guys, this is the end of this hall. You can say that is the end. I hope you guys like this video. Give me a like if you are here. I will see you guys later. Bye bye everyone. See you.